and Jared, and we're the Parkhopbears, and today we're gonna head to Star Wars Galaxy's Edge.
Yay! It's opening day!
Opening day!
We have our park map.
Yeah, we have our new park map.
Which we'll show you a close-up of. And we have our wristbands. And Ford is here. And we have an 8 o'clock reservation.
Yep,
so
that's
we're here
the
bright and early.
official opening.
Yeah, so we're excited.
Yay! Here we go. I think we're gonna take the back tunnel.
Yeah.
Because the park's not. Yeah, we don't get to go down the street.
So we're here. Line for check-in is at the launch bay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's pretty long already. It's like 6 a.m.
Okay, so do you want to wait? Is it?
So here's the souvenir park map. It's like, I don't know if you can tell on camera, like it's glossy and it's like heavy stock paper. Yay.
I don't know if there's a difference between the walkway. Like big fans are going to want to see the whole experience, so they maybe won't do single. They might for.
Oh, Dumbo! Hey guys, I'm gonna get a corn dog. Sure. Yeah! Yes! Woo! Yeah! Talk about the need to die and realize.
the line?
In line for the cantina. Yay.
But it's moving.
Yeah. Yay.
This is the Best and Fizz.
Yay. Rex.
Alright, we're gonna get to work on that X-Wing now. If you guys would like. Over here, maybe you guys can help with that.
Hi, Chewie.
What are you buying? Porgs! Yay! Oh no!
Okay, so we just bought a bunch of stuff. No, we didn't adopt any new porgs. These are stuffed animals. If you want to adopt a porg, they're real and they talk and they eat and they breathe.
Yes. So we got some new.
This stuff right here.
We got a friend report.
Yeah, we got them a toy porg. Yay! Cool.
Oh, the bags are cool.
Yeah, the bags are really cute.
Oh, wow.
It's the backside of the Millennium Falcon. So we're in the line for the ride. Supposedly it's a 5-minute wait, so that's good. We have our friends to entertain us.
See, now you're breaking up. Get out here. Watch it there. I don't. Oh, unfortunate technical difficulty. This is. Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. Oh, the Millennium Falcon. On loan for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine friend. Yes, as we agreed, you let us use the ship. We'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. What? No, the First Order will never Nobody changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. And if and when you are successful, the rewards will be astronomical for me. And you, of course, after all, even split 70-25.
Thank you.
Safe travels.
Thank you.
Alright, there it is, the blue and the green milk.
Blue and green. I'm on blue.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, here you are with both. Yay!
You take the blue milk or the green milk?
Neither. So we're pretty much done at Galaxy's Edge.
Yeah,
our time is coming up.
We did a lot though.
Yeah, we had a lot of fun. We did the ride twice, 2 times on the ride.
I'm not sure if you're supposed to be able to or not, but we did.
Yeah.
We did the cantina, which we were
Did the
really
cantina, was
excited
exciting.
about. Yeah.
Bought some merch. Oh yeah. Oh. Watto and some blue milk.
Pork rinds.
New pork. Green milk.
Lots of couple mugs from the cantina.
Yeah, that's our pork. So yeah, although we will, sorry, there's loud spaceships here. Once the next group comes in, it gets real busy again.
Yeah.
So once
it seemed a little less busy, like towards the end of our time.
Yeah, toward the end of our time, like at 10:40, we had an 8 to noon, and right at 10:45 it was real kind of empty, and we only waited 5 minutes for the ride. And then right at like 11, they brought in the next group, and the ride, I don't even know, it's crazy. It was all the way through the land,
Yeah.
the line. So
So don't wait
too long.
to do the ride.
Wait till that second to last hour to do the ride.
But it might vary, so we're not sure. Yeah, what'd you think of the ride? Oh, that was fun.
It was a good ride. Not
We were
great.
pilots.
We were pilots the first time.
That was fun. We liked being pilots.
Yeah, we did like being pilots. Yeah, so the engineer, you sit in the back, so your view might not be as good of like the screen, but it's a really small, there's only 6 people in the ride at one time,
Yeah,
so that's really cool. But engineers sit in the back, gunners sit in the middle, and then pilots sit in the front, so I think everybody wants to try to be the pilot at least one time. But gunner is fun. Engineer, we didn't get to try engineer, so I don't actually know if it's like what that's about. Yeah.
But yeah, it was really cool.
Yeah, it
And
was cool.
It is different than Star Tours and how like you have less people, like you're saying.
Yeah, it's so like kind of small.
Yeah. So I like the ride, and it's not too intense. I think kids can do it. A lot of screens, so possibly motion sickness, but not too bad, I thought.
That's a great picture. What?
A yummy green milk.
There you go. Just leave that. Perfect. Just hanging out.
Yeah, I think my favorite thing was the cantina though.
Yeah, cantina was definitely the favorite.
And cantina was fun.
Cantina was great.
I really like the market area.
Market area is really cool.
That was really cool.
The little shops.
Yeah. And it is bigger than I thought it would be.
Sorry, there's like ships and stuff going on. There's like stuff going on constantly around here. It's really cool area, so definitely really cool that we came.
Yeah. Pretty excited about it.
Yeah, really excited.
Yeah, and it's pretty big, so I think, we definitely come back and, like,
Oh,
there's
definitely,
definitely
yeah.
more stuff to do.
There's definitely more to do. Yeah, we didn't do everything. Like, we didn't get any food or anything.
Yeah. And they had food that looked good, so I do want to try some of the food.
Yeah, kind of ran out of time though.
Maybe eventually build a lightsaber.
Oh, maybe. We'll see.
We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our
Yay,
channel.
subscribe.
We'll be posting more Star Wars Galaxy's Edge videos, so make sure you click that subscribe button.
Thanks for watching. the new pork?
Pork's best day ever.
No, where's the new pork?
Pork wants you to starve.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, that's his new friend.
Yay.
Yay. Bye.
Best day ever for pork.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.